Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are talking drywall anchors and how to remove them. I got a quick little trick that I want to share with you. Let's take a look. Alright YouTubers, at the drywall anchors right now, and we just removed a curtain rod, and those anchors we want removed because we are going to spackle the holes and repaint this portion to match the wall. So with that said, we are going to remove these two anchors. What I have here is a Phillips screwdriver and a screw, and as you can see, the actual screw diameter is far larger than the hole. So what I want to do first is open that hole a little bit, not applying too much pressure because I don't want to push that anchor further back into the wall. From here I'm going to insert the screw and screw it in, and as you screw it in, it is going to really grab a hold of that anchor. And from here, you just want to carefully pull it out with your hands. And if it gives you too much fuss, you can grab a hammer. And there we go, as you can see. Try not to pull real hard, because you don't want to pull or crack any of the drywall surrounding the actual drywall anchor. So there is the old used up anchor. And this trick will not work for every single drywall anchor. However, with this specific design, it's a good way to remove these anchors as opposed to pushing them further into the wall and having them drop behind the drywall to the floor. And I'll use my Phillips screwdriver to remove that screw. Let me know if this helps, YouTubers. That's it, YouTubers. Hope the video helped. Hey, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching.